Singapore's state investor Temasek says geopolitics is playing an increasingly important role in investment decisions. Chairman Teo Chee Hean spoke to the media after taking the helm in October last year, outlining how the firm is adapting its investment strategy to a more uncertain world. Nadirah Zaidi has more.
Investing is no longer a straightforward business. Temasek Chairman Teo Chee Hean says a more volatile global environment marked by economic uncertainties and geopolitical conflicts has made investing even more challenging. He adds that a disciplined approach to risk remains a cornerstone of Temasek's investment strategy.
We have investments.
Beyond economics, politics, security, and global events play a big role in markets. And that's why understanding the bigger picture is becoming increasingly important for investors.
Today, geopolitics have come into play, and so we have to take that into consideration because it may hit particular investments that you're making, it may hit particular sectors in which we're investing in, it may hit particular countries that we have invested in, that we have investments in. So we have to take that into account. As I said, in the end, it comes down to looking at all the factors in a disciplined way and making the investment with an eye to the appropriate levels of risk and return.
Mr. Teo said the impact of the Gulf War will linger even if hostilities end and the Strait of Hormuz reopens. Higher energy prices could drive up food costs, adding pressure on the global economy. But there are still opportunities, with Temasek considering setting up an office in the region to support portfolio companies and deepen co-investment partnerships. Mr. Teo also sees a positive direction in US-China ties after a recent meeting between the two countries' leaders.
In past years, the Shangri-La dialogue, my sense was that they were talking past each other, and that talking was at various decibel levels. This year, it's not just that the decibel level has come down, but they actually have converged on some language. And both sides were talking about constructive, strategic, stable relationship.
When it comes to investments, Mr. Teo said Temasek's focus is in companies that can use artificial intelligence to create value and disrupt others in the market. He also pointed to another rapidly evolving sector.
There's a great ferment in drug discovery, and some of that is driven by AI as well, but also by new discoveries in the way drugs work and so on. So new mechanisms and so on. And so that's also a growing area, and there's a huge demand in the world for more effective, better drugs.
On Temasek's net zero by 2050 goals, Mr. Teo said beyond sustainable reasons, it makes sense to invest in greener options due to its greater resilience and good returns in the long term.
We are neither zealots nor are we skeptics. We're realists. We look at the data, we look at what's possible, and we invest in that direction. And recently, with the situation for oil and gas from the Gulf, there's another good reason to want to invest in these types of renewable energies and so on, because it provides you greater resilience as well.
The former senior minister also said he's encouraged by how the new cabinet, led by Prime Minister Lawrence Wong, is tackling the challenges ahead. He adds that the stability in political leadership, together with efforts to bridge divides within society, will put Singapore in good stead for the future.